Please do not forget to link your Aadhar card to your PAN card before 31st March. I'll tell you the easiest way to do so. Open any of your favorite browser. You can also do it on your mobile phone as well. So once you open Google, you just need to type income tax portal like that. So you can search it on your website, your phone or in your computer. Once you type it, hit enter, and the very first result will come incometax.gov.in. Now here, home income tax department, you just need to click on that. And at the left hand side, we have this link Aadhar status and link Aadhar. If you do not know whether you have already done that or not, then I would recommend to check it first whether the Aadhar card has been linked to your PAN card or not. On the first one, the status one. Once you are done, once you know that it is not linked, then you can simply click on link on Aadhar. Now, the process is absolutely same. Here you just need to click on link Aadhar status, and here you need to enter your PAN card and Aadhar card number, and then you can check it the Aadhar card status. I hope you have enjoyed this very short tutorial. Please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.